Good Monday evening, everyone. The clouds that were stapled over the Southern Valley for a good part of the day, clearing out. Some high clouds off to the west. 76 on the thermometer right now. We reached a peak in the upper 70s today. The wind's a little on the gusty side, up to 20 miles per hour. They're from the south-southeast, and we have some sticky air in place with dew points still in the 60s. Right now, Grand Forks also seeing a lot of blue. It's warmer there, 80 degrees right now. Winds from the south are chugging in at around 20 miles per hour. 77 Valley City, Jamestown 79, and right now Langdon a warm spot at 81, while temperatures significantly cooler from Lakes Country, including Detroit Lakes all the way out to Wadena. This area here seeing some shower activity push through, as is the Lake of the Woods area right now. So some thunder and lightning near Red Lakes, that is all dissipated. Right now some showers moving through Wadena County. They do not have a lot of thunder and lightning with those, but if you are on the Big Lake and the Lake of the Woods area, there's a storm that's moving off to the north-northeast right now at about 20 miles per hour. And it could have some lightning and gusty winds, but not much of a hail threat. Again, good old-fashioned rain showers from Sebeka and points east in Wadena County. Those are exiting to the east. Now, the rest of us will enjoy a quiet evening, but later tonight, some thunderstorms all the way from the portions of southern Manitoba to west of Bismarck are forming. And as we take a look at some that are closest to our area, Towner County right here near Rock Lake, a line of pretty stout thunderstorms producing some severe weather in Canada are heading in your direction. Now, here is a look at the big picture. We have a lot of clear skies over the Central Plains states, good old-fashioned heavy rain and even strong thunderstorms for the Indianapolis area, where they have had an active tornado warning for the past hour and a half for a strong storm system there. For us, watch the hour-by-hour forecast. Temperatures will cool a bit. Best chance of storms tonight along the international border from Towner County all the way through Kittson County. That's this evening. And we could see some of those storms near Bismarck pushing their way off to the east into western Stutsman, Dickey, and Lemoore County, but not until later this evening. So again, any chance for strong storms will happen out west and maybe up in the northwestern counties. As we go through the overnight, some of this remnant activity will be passing through. We may hear a rumble of thunder. The chances of severe weather tonight are not great, but an isolated storm moving out of Canada could provide some hail and gusty winds. We'll keep our eyes on that. Tomorrow, temperatures close to 60 to head out the door on your Tuesday morning. Wind will still be from the south, and as we go through the day, we'll see generally light winds around 10 miles per hour or less, warming through the 70s for your lunch hour to the near 80-degree range to the south and west. And that's where the heat will be, where they saw 90-degree temperatures in the western Dakotas today. We'll see some mid-80s in our southwestern counties in southeast North Dakota. A lot of upper 70s to near 80, and a hit-and-miss shower or storm developing in the heat of the day cannot be ruled out for your Tuesday afternoon. So Fargo's planner, as you rise and shine, low 60s, rising through the 70s midday, afternoon temperatures in the 80s with a hit-or-miss thunder shower chance. And that chance will be west from the Red River Valley out to the east into Minnesota, where we'll have upper 70s and low 80s, and a lot of low 80s as well for our viewers in the western counties in the James River Valley. Gorgeous shot on Otter Tail Lake. Mike, thanks for uploading that at valleynewslive.com. Big changes to pay attention to here. Another hot day on Wednesday. We'll call it warm. It looks dry for the most part. Thursday, a storm system parks in the valley and could give us a chance for strong to severe thunderstorms, still warm. But it's after that that we notice some of the most refreshing air of recent memory, with lows in the 40s and 50s, highs in the upper 60s and 70s. Will be refreshing.
Look at those 70s, yeah.
I guess, you know, you were talking back to school earlier. We're going to start getting more hints of back to school type weather. So,
thank you, Hatch.
An unexpected loss for the Fargo baseball community. Beth in sports will have more on the passing of former Red Hawk pitcher Jake Labor. That's later in sports.
Up next, help from North Dakota is on the way to flood-ravaged parts of the U.S.